I am Dr. Ritesh Bazaz. I am a plastic surgeon practicing in Gurugram. I was always interested in hair transplant. At a very young age, I also started losing hair, and I've got my hair transplant also done in baby. So I've always wanted to learn this art. I think it's an exhaustive course. You get a lot of training on surgical and non-surgical treatments of hair loss, and you get a lot of hands-on also. On first he'll teach you, first sir will teach you, Dr. Ashutosh. First Dr. Ashutosh will teach you on cucumber, and then he'll let you do on his patients as well. So I recommend all of you, if you are interested in hair transplant, you want to start your journey as a hair transplant surgeon, I think this should be your stepping stone.